We got another new color on the Ram 1500, and let me tell you, Ram, they're trying hard. I'll include a link to the Doug Smith Rams website in the description down below. Also include a link to my carbine guide. Let's get into it. Under the hood is a 3-liter twin-turbo inline-six that goes through an 8-speed. Fuel economy 17 around town, 24 on the highway, with power outputs being 420 horsepower and then 469 pound-feet of torque. And this standard output Hurricane is likely to be the most reliable version of the Hurricane, right? Whenever you put more power into a vehicle, it makes things tougher. I'm trying to hit 500,000 subscribers before the end of the year. I'd really appreciate it if you'd help out with that. You've got this new color. It's different than the flat gray. It kind of has a greenish hue to it, and it contrasts nicely with this blackout package known as the Night Edition. So you can see the headlight bezels blacked out, the grille's blacked out, the bumper too. You've got parking sensors, fog lights, no tow hooks though. But either way, this definitely stands out, and I think it would look really good on a Rebel if it's available on that truck. Tire and wheel setup is 285 by 45 by 22. The wheels are completely blacked out. You've got nice body painted fender flares too. Blacked out Ram badge. We also have the blacked out mirror caps and then the door handles too. And then in the rear, we do have a solid axle. It's coil sprung up front, but independent front suspension. This is a crew cab with the shorter bed configuration wise. When it comes to key fob features, we've got our lock and unlock function, tailgate drop down, remote start, and then the Ram logo on the back. LED lights in the bed. Now this one doesn't have bed liner. That is one big thing that this truck is currently missing. I do believe this has the auto tailgate, so you just, push it a little bit and it'll raise up for you. Interesting, it has the baseline taillights. All the badges are blacked out. The bumper's body painted. The exhaust tips blacked out. That will cap things off for the exterior of this particular Ram. Let me think about the new color. This week's giveaway is all about muscle and luxury with two Cadillac V cars, the first of which is a CT5V Blackwing and the second is an Escalade V. Both these have supercharged V8s producing nearly 700 horsepower each. They also have tons of luxury and modern technology to match. Not only can you win both of these cars, but part of the giveaway is also $73,000 in cash to help pay for the taxes, and your donations go to help children's and veterans charities. Use code BHC or click the link in the description down below or in the pinned comment. This will give you 4x bonus tickets on any donation, $25 or more. Let's now check out the interior. We've got stitching and some suede trim and soft touch all over the door panel. And then being Laramie, you've got that same setup on the seats. They're perforated down the center. I don't think this has reclining function. Oh, it actually does. It says reclining seats, and you've got the buckets in the back. Legroom's good. We also have a little storage pocket. Cup holders, some wood trim, heated seats, USB ports, and an outlet. Keyless entry for up front. Let's check it out. Blind spot monitoring with the mirrors. We also have our memory seat function. The mirrors do power fold in, and then automatic windows for the front. More of that nice trim on the front door panel. And the windows, by the way, are acoustic glass. 1,491 pounds of payload capacity. Laramie there on the seat, perforated all down the center. Power adjustments with lumbar support on the side too. This has power adjustable pedals, and then you've got your light controls off to the side. Now the steering wheel's got soft touch trim all around. Radio controls in the back. This does have the adaptive cruise control with the lane centering function. You've got your gear limiter, drive mode select, and then controls for the center stack there on the left side. Now with the gauge cluster, it's fully digital. You can change the information that's displayed and kind of the overall formatting. This is the analog view, and then there's a digital view as well. Truck has a heads-up display. Nice trim all across the dash, Harman Kardon sound system, and then we've got a 12-volt 360 camera system. There's a bunch of different angles that you can see out of with that camera system. As for the rest of the infotainment screen, at the bottom you notice that nothing is showing while the screen is off, but trailer brake controls there. You've got analog climate controls up above, but if I turn the screen on, then you'll be able to see the parking sensors and the rest of the trailer brake controls that are integrated into the screen stuff. As for the rest of the screen, your dual zone climate's also integrated, but it's also physical controls with that. But heated, cooled seats, and the response time with it's okay. I think this is one downside about the bigger screens. It seems like the bigger the screen gets, the more lag there seems to be. Dial shifter, part-time four-wheel drive system with auto high and low, and then your auto stop starts just below that. Ram logo there, and yeah, pretty nice with the center console setup. This does slide forwards and backwards. 2 phone charging pads. We've got tons of USB ports, and then there's a full outlet at the bottom. This one does have the passenger screen system. It also has a camera rear view mirror, and then a power sliding window. No sunroof on this truck. Almost forgot to mention, we do have power running boards. This color is called Canyon Lake Exterior. $79,570 is the total MSRP. Let us see how this truck performs. We got some exciting news for all of you. I will be reviewing the Hemi pretty soon. Now, I'm supposed to take some time off this week. I haven't taken any time off in, I can't remember when. I work all the time. I'm one of those people, right? That's just, everyone in my family's like that. We just all work all the time. But I've gotten to the point where I have so many videos that I have filmed and haven't posted yet that like I quite literally have to take time off, or my computer's like out of storage space. Like I'm getting to the point where I've got a lot of storage, but like I have to, there's so many videos that I've started deleting, and so it's like I just need to stop filming so much and just get to posting. So don't worry about me, I'll figure it out. But the point that I'm trying to make here is Hemi, it's coming soon. And what I will do is they actually already have one here, so that's why I might come in later this week, and I'm not supposed to really be working, to be honest. But I'll do a review on the Hemi, and then I'll do a comparison with the Hemi against the Hurricane, and let you guys know what's going on, what route you should go with. But yeah, as for this Laramie, solid interior. Get back to you guys once the traffic, well, the light rather, would let us go through. So now that we can actually drive, gotta love the Ram suspension. Being coil sprung front and rear, it just makes the ride quality so good. And it's, the thing that's funny is Toyota doesn't seem to know how to figure that out, because their trucks are not coil sprung. They're just not as comfortable as the Rams. Something else, the acoustic glass definitely makes a difference with the overall sound insulation. Makes the interior quieter, which in turn makes it just a more luxe experience. Now, the seats are comfortable in this. The cooled function's nice. And I've said it in the past, I'll say it again, I think the Laramie is all you need when it comes to truck. It's got all the features you really need. It's got the interior that works. Like, everything's rock solid with this. Smooth. Yeah, you gotta love the smooth delivery. Ooh, buddy. Wow. And this is the standard output. Like I was saying, this is gonna be the most reliable version, because the high output's not bad, but whenever you put more power into an engine, it's gonna, right? It's gonna be under more stress. So I like this new color. I like the direction that Ram is going for the most part. The pricing direction, though, I still, you know, these trucks are still extremely expensive. And here's my thing with Ram is every single Ram dealer, not every single one, but most of them, right? They're discounting the trucks, and it's like, come on, Ram, like, you've got rebates, you got these discounts. Like, why? I don't understand for the life of me why any manufacturer willingly plays that game. It's like, why play the game where you know for a fact that your vehicle is not going to sell for the MSRP price? Like, what is the point? What is the point? What is the point? So I think it's not just a Ram thing, it's several manufacturers. Just do some math. Find out what your vehicles are actually transacting for, what people are actually paying. So it's like, if your vehicles are selling at, you know, $7,000 dealer discount plus a $5,000 rebate, that's what your vehicles are selling for, make the MSRP that price. Make the MSRP that price. Right? I think it's so silly that the manufacturers are playing this like rebate, and then it doesn't look good. It doesn't look good all around, because then the dealer's like, why, you know, and obviously the dealers are like, hey, we're offering a deal. But I mean, it looks so much better, like the Tesla model, where it's just the MSRP is the price you pay. And I used to not be of this opinion back in the day, but the more people that I talk to and the more cars that I review, that just makes more sense. I think that that's just the way that things should be. So that's my, I like this truck. I think it's a great truck. But that's my advice to Ram, is just take your actual transaction values. You can talk to, you have so much dealer information. See what your trucks are actually selling for, adjust the MSRP prices accordingly, and then, then you look like a rock star. right? Because then it's like we're selling the trucks for what they're selling for. We're not going to play this rebate up and down game. We're just going to price vehicles where the market is willing to pay for them.